Ladies and gentlemen, listen closely. Life will hit you hard. It will knock you down. It will make you question your worth. And it will hurt. But here's the truth. Pain is temporary. Emotional pain is not a prison. It's a lesson. The first step to release it is acknowledgment. Don't run from your feelings. Face them. Feel them fully, without judgment. Only then can you let them go. Next, forgive yourself and others. Holding grudges is like drinking poison and expecting someone else to die. Freedom begins with forgiveness. Then, shift your focus. Pain thrives in the shadows of your mind. Channel your energy into growth, into learning, into creating something meaningful. Remember, you are stronger than your emotions. Pain doesn't define you. Your actions do. Surround yourself with people who lift you and distance yourself from those who drag you down. Finally, take action every single day. Healing is not passive, it's deliberate. Move, speak, write, meditate, and choose life over pain. You have the power to turn suffering into strength, heartbreak into wisdom, and tears into fuel for your next victory. So stand tall. The pain you feel today is the foundation of the person you will become tomorrow. Watch, listen, learn, and rise. Emotional pain is temporary. It does not last forever, no matter how heavy it feels right now. Every ache, every heartbreak, every tear carries a message. It is a lesson, not a life sentence. Pain teaches you what matters, what to let go, and how to grow stronger. It shapes your resilience, your courage, and your understanding of yourself. You are not defined by the hurt you feel today. With time, reflection, and self-compassion, the weight begins to lift. Every wound carries the seed of wisdom and transformation. Hold on, breathe, and trust that healing is unfolding. Acknowledge your feelings instead of suppressing them. Don't turn away from what your heart is trying to tell you. Every emotion you feel has a purpose. Fear, sadness, anger, and pain, they are all valid. When you suppress them, they grow stronger, hidden beneath the surface. By facing them, you begin to understand yourself better. You learn why you hurt and what you truly need. Sit with your feelings, name them, and let them breathe. Only then can you release their grip and find clarity. Acceptance is the first step toward real healing and freedom. Forgive yourself and others to find true freedom. Holding on to anger and regret only weighs your soul down. Every mistake you've made, every wrong done to you carries a lesson. Release the burden by choosing forgiveness. It doesn't mean you forget or that what happened was okay. It means you refuse to let it control your life. Forgiving yourself brings peace to your heart. Forgiving others releases the chains that bind you. Freedom begins the moment you let go of resentment. Walk lightly, breathe deeply, and allow your spirit to soar beyond the pain. Shift your focus from pain to personal growth. Pain can consume you if you let it, but it doesn't have to. Look beyond the hurt and ask yourself what you can learn. Every challenge holds a hidden lesson, a chance to become stronger. Invest your energy in improving yourself, in building skills, in nurturing your mind and spirit. Grow through the struggle rather than being crushed by it. Use your experiences as fuel for progress, not as chains that hold you back. Transformation begins when you choose growth over suffering. Rise above, evolve, and let your pain guide you to a better version of yourself. You are stronger than your emotions. Emotions are powerful, but they do not define who you are. Fear, anger, sadness, or doubt may knock at your door, but you have the choice to stand firm. You can observe them without being consumed. Your mind and spirit hold strength far greater than any fleeting feeling. Every time you face your emotions instead of running, you grow stronger. You have the power to respond, not react. Remember, emotions are temporary, but your resilience is lasting. Just stand tall, trust yourself, and let your strength shine through every storm. You are stronger than your emotions. Emotions come and go like waves in the ocean, but your core remains steady. Fear, anger, sadness, or doubt may rise, trying to pull you under, but you have the power to rise above. You can feel them fully without letting them control your actions. Every challenge you face and every storm you endure builds your inner strength. Your mind and spirit are far more resilient than you realize. Stand firm, breathe deeply, and remind yourself that you are in control. Emotions pass, but your strength endures and grows with each test. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. The energy around you shapes the energy within you. Choose to be near those who lift you higher, who inspire and encourage you. Let go of those who drain your spirit or feed your doubts. Supportive friends celebrate your victories and stand by you in challenges. They remind you of your worth when you forget. Their positivity becomes a mirror for your own growth and resilience. Connection with the right people fuels confidence, motivation, and hope. Seek those who nurture your mind and heart, and watch yourself flourish. Your circle determines your strength, so choose it wisely. Distance yourself from toxic influences. Not everyone around you has your best interests at heart. Some people bring negativity, doubt, and unnecessary conflict into your life. Holding on to them only slows your growth and clouds your peace of mind. Recognize the voices and environments that drain your energy. Step away from what harms your spirit, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Create boundaries that protect your mental and emotional well-being. Surround yourself with positivity instead. Your peace and progress matter more than pleasing everyone. By distancing yourself from toxicity, you make room for growth, happiness, and true freedom. Take deliberate action daily to heal. Healing is not passive. It requires intention and effort every single day. Small steps accumulate into profound change over time. Write down your thoughts, meditate, move your body, or simply breathe deeply. Face your fears, confront your pain, and allow yourself to feel. Seek help when needed, and don't shy away from support. Each action, no matter how small, is a victory. Consistency builds strength and resilience. Your dedication to daily healing transforms hurt into growth and sorrow into wisdom. Commit to the process and watch your spirit mend and flourish. Transform suffering into strength and wisdom. Every challenge, every heartbreak, and every moment of pain carries a lesson. Instead of letting it break you, let it shape you. Look for the insight hidden within your struggles. Pain can teach patience, resilience, and compassion. It can reveal your true priorities and inner power. When you face suffering with courage, it becomes a teacher, not a tormentor. Each experience adds depth to your character and clarity to your purpose. Embrace the lessons, grow from them, and let your hardships fuel your strength and wisdom. Your journey through pain can become your greatest power. Pain today is the foundation of tomorrow's victories. Every struggle you endure plants a seed for future strength. The hardships you face shape your character and deepen your resilience. Each tear, each setback, each moment of doubt is building something greater within you. Pain teaches lessons that comfort never could. It molds your determination, sharpens your focus, and ignites your drive. Tomorrow, you will look back and see how far you've come. What once felt unbearable becomes your stepping stone to success. Embrace the process, endure with courage, and trust that your victories are being forged today. So stand tall and carry every lesson, every struggle, and every moment of pain with pride. Let your heart remain open, your mind focused, and your spirit unbreakable. Know that healing is a journey, and every step forward is a triumph. Embrace the growth, trust the process, and celebrate the strength you are creating within yourself. Your past does not define you, your pain does not limit you, and your struggles do not dictate your future. Rise, shine, and move forward with courage, for the best version of yourself is waiting just beyond the storm.